the Prime Minister naming Trump and saying that Trump did not bring about the ceasefire. Now that the tariffs have kicked in, do you think that Trump did not actually interfere in the ceasefire? Because it was very clear. Trump went out and said, I told them we will do a trade deal and therefore go ahead with the ceasefire. Either one can be true or both can't be true. What do you have to say about
I had said this very clearly. I had put out a tweet which said if he claims it was a trade which got them a ceasefire, then where is the trade deal? Right? So keeping our interest, and I would say I would believe my DGMO. When my DGMO comes and addresses a press
Absolutely.
conference and says they asked for a ceasefire, I will believe him. I will believe my nation and my national interest first. I will not believe someone who is looking to win a Nobel Peace Prize to be telling us what we should be doing. So naming and talking, it shows maturity on our part, that we are not giving into the tantrumy statements coming from him. But at the same time, like I had mentioned earlier too, drawing a red line. An official statement from MEA has come out that there was no engagement. MEA Minister of External Affairs also has cleared that on the floor of the House, and I'd stick by that.
So that that question from the opposition has been answered, because not you, but several opposition members raised that question quite vociferously.
Yeah, because of his repeated insistence that,
29 times.
Also must understand that we had a scenario where Prime Minister was campaigning for Donald Trump's second term when he was contesting against Biden, when he lost that election.
Yeah.
Prime Minister was actively engaging with him and they were like really close friends, etc. Even now, Trump keeps saying he's a dear friend, India is a great country. However, they have high tariffs and I will, so those are things where there was a larger expectation that US
but
would...
Trump has not spared even his closest trading partners or G7 nations or NATO allies. I hardly think that he would do anything similar for India.
But we will not look at when Europe deals with, Mark Rutte called him their daddy.
Yeah, exactly.
Right? So I will not look at what they are saying and who's saying. I will look at what my nation's interest is, right? So this is exactly what we did.